Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into your Hong Leong Bank account. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. At the search bar, you can simply search hbl.com.my. You will be now lead to the official homepage of Hong Leong Bank. And at the right side at the top you can see the option online banking. You have to click over there. Here various options will be provided. You need to make sure that you choose the first one, which is personal sole proprietor. Now you will be led to this page. Here now enter your username. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can simply click on this option and they will be guiding you further to get your account back. In case if you haven't registered for online banking, you can simply click on this option and once again they will be guiding you to register your account. Now after entering your username, simply click on next. Now if this is the picture that you have selected during registration, you can click on yes, this is my security picture and write down your password. After that, you can click on login and you will be logged into your Hong Leong Bank account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.